And hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Alright, so today we will be looking at custom modules, because yesterday we looked at, modules you can install and use. So yeah, if you want to take Kinter course though, just comment and I might actually make one, because I found it to be quite interesting. Anyways, so to create or to use our own module or own custom one, we will have to actually create it. So let's create a new file, and we can just call it, instead of the same file as your, or you can make it somewhere else, but I would recommend making it here just to make it super easy to use. Anyways, and let's call this custom.py. So then what we can do is, let's say, for example, we want to be able to do a few things. We'll do a few things. So let's first import a module from here. Instead of custom.py, a random, and we can just call it R, just to make it short. I wonder if we can, from random, import, and let's try it, rand int. I don't think that will work though. We might be lucky though. Let's try it. Let's try it because you never know. Anyways, so then we can say maybe create something like my name, and that can be equal to Netsu or Steve or whatever your name is. My friends, or my friends. They are Mr. Teddy, and then there is Jackson, Jack Four. He is my invisible friend, because I'm sometimes lonely. And let's say we need to get my friends in. Let's first try this. Let's first explain this. And instead of main.py, since these two are in the same folder, we can just do something such as import custom as C. What we're saying here is find inside here. It's first going to search inside of the local files if it finds a module, and then it's going to search outside of the locals. So it's first going to search here, and it's going to be like, hey, I found custom, because this file is called custom.py. We don't have to specify .py because it's unnecessary. But here we can just say as C, or you can just say import custom. But I like to use as C, so I don't have to use custom for everything. Anyways, then we can maybe go something such as print C dot, what do I have? C dot friends. Let's try that. Let's run main and actually try that. I don't have my terminal open. Are you kidding me? I don't have my terminal open. Here we go. Python 3 main.py. And as you can see, even though we ran this file right here, it still imported this. So basically, that's kind of how you create your own module. You just write Python code and then you use it somewhere else. Fairly simple. We can also go like my name if we wanted to. We can even use things like here is lonely, but at least he has, and we can like add one friend here. C.friends. It is friends, right? Yes. 0, 1, 2. We can go for 2. And boom. Netsu is learning, but at least he has Jack 4. Oh, that's such a nice name, I'm not gonna lie. Of course, you can do more than just create a few variables. We can do something such as define sum, for example. And here we can say num1, num2. And then we can just say return num1 plus num2. And here we can just say print c.sum 20 and 20. That should give you 40. Yeah, so 40. So now I want to show you how you can use this if you use a module as well. I hope this works. It probably won't, but let's hope it does. So we can go like define and maybe something like a coin flip. And then we can just say side is equal to randint 1, 2, and if side is equal to 1, then return heads, else return. We don't even need an else, but we can just say return because, you know, return tails as a default. Tails. There we go. Let's hope it works. I really do. Actually, kind of hope it does. Coin flip. I didn't use any camel case or anything. I did. There we go. Coin flip. Let's hope it works. It did work. Tails. So yeah, we just imported from a module, and then we create our own little function that uses that module. So even though we didn't import that module here, we can still use it. And of course, then we can like maybe do something like for x, or just for underscore whatever, for x in range 50. And yeah, sorry about that. I wanted to do something really cool, but I messed it up. And yeah, now we can like play heads and tails 50 times. See who wins. And yeah, that's the basics. I hope you all enjoyed. And yeah, thank you all for watching. Hopefully you can create your own modules now and have the ability to, I don't know, make something cool later on. Please subscribe and see you all in the next video.